G'day, Michael here. This video is about various dust extraction fittings which I've made up for the Minipress, but more importantly, some newcomers to the scene. The other videos show the shrouds, but these are fittings I've developed as a result of a shortcoming found by one of my customers. The shortcoming is I was using one of these Festool elbows on the hose, which I assume they still had available. I've searched their website, they don't seem to have them anymore. And they have another elbow there, but I'm not sure it's the same taper in, taper out. It looks different on the website. In any case, they didn't show any sizes of the part, so I left that where it was. And I decided to develop my own. Now, the reason why I did that is because the fittings, both this guy, for just using the hinge bits, and this guy for using like the multi-borer head, have both got that 10-degree angle to get the hose off the sheet material as it goes onto the table. So that's designed to clear hose fittings. That's why the taper's there, that angle is there, I should say. And so what I did was I made these elbows with 80 degrees of turn. So the sum total is 90 degrees. And you know, it works better with these particular fittings. So a 90-degree elbow is not as well suited to these fittings as this new design is. Now this one here you might see has got a hose barb, and this one you can see it's got a taper in, taper out. It's fully compatible with, you know, the typical 34mm taper fittings. You can see it here with the Festool elbow. So I've deliberately made everything just work with those fittings. The 32mm hose fittings, like you see on, say, a shop vac, are a little bit prone to you know, blocking if you're cutting, say, MDF or something that makes strong shavings using like a hinge drilling bit. So they can get caught in the hose fitting. That's why I've stuck with a 34. You generally don't have any blockages. Well, I've never had any, but yeah. So anyway, 34mm taper works well, and it's, you know, the typical German, European vacuum cleaners all seem to have that. Even an Italian-made vacuum cleaner fits the same. So it's a very good standard, but the elbows I've made are not 90 degrees. They're either 80 degrees of turn or 110 degrees sort of internal angle. Well, I guess that's it. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, ask a question, leave a comment. Bye for now.